see how many devices we had gathered and planned for a video. There must be ones you will be interested. Please subscribe my channel right now. Also, for more information about PaintAudio products, just check our website www.paintaudio.com. Hello everyone, I'm Wilson. In this video, let's take a quick look at preset 1 of MIDI Captain, HXST. It's actually designed especially for Line 6 HX Stomp. The Line 6 series of multi-effects processors is probably the series I have used the most. I have owned and used various models starting from the Red POD 2.0 and then the Pod XT, Pod XT Live, Pod HD, and I still keep this one. And now the HX Stomp, I have enjoyed using them for a long time. I really like this compact, full functional and lightweight HX Stomp. So creating a MIDI control preset for it was the first thing I did after the birth of MIDI Captain. Starting from the firmware version 3.0, the default preset 1 is the HXST, so we can see this as soon as we power on the device the first time. If you had previously selected a different preset, you can easily navigate back to preset 1 by performing a sample operation. For example, now we are in the preset 5, so we can navigate back to preset 1, HXST. After hit the home or back buttons, it will automatically restart and take effect. Now we are in the HX Stomp preset. The A, B, C buttons along with the up and the down bank buttons are used for PC program control navigation. Let's see. The 1, 2, and 3 buttons are used for switch between the 3 snapshots of the current program. Let's see this clearly. Snapshot 1, 2, 3. Here's another interesting thing is the button D is used for the speed tapping control. MIDI Captain probably is the only one I see has a special designed LED function for the tapping. So this can give you a very straightforward feedback of the tapping speed. And the button 4 is for the tuner control. If you have connected an expression pedal, we can have 2 EXP channels, channel 1 and channel 2. And here we can see the CC number. For channel 2, CC number is CC2. And channel 1, CC number is 1. We can assign this EXP input 1 and 2 to any of the parameters control. This table is a summary of all the functions that can be used for MIDI control as found in HX Stomp's menu. You can modify the MIDI commands to achieve the desired control functionality. Let's take a simple example. Change the button 4 from tuner control to all bypass control. To enter into the USB setup mode, we need the USB cable connected to the computer, and then we hold key 1 and power on the device. There is a MIDI Captain disk showing up in the computer. We can see folders and files in this disk, and the gig setup is for gig mode, and the setup is for the normal mode. Now we are using the normal mode preset 1, so we go into the preset 1, and here we can see all the 10 button configuring files. From the MIDI Captain's menu, we can see which files is mapping to which key. So the button 4 is configured by the key 3 file. Okay, let's go into the key 3 file. These 2 rows are used to change the LED color. Let's try this. So the LED color override is already enabled. So let's change to yellow. The RGB code for yellow is FFFF00. So now what we want to do is change the CC number. From the menu of HX Stomp, we can see the all bypass is controlled by CC70. Here is the define of the functions. When the key is pressed down, key pressed down is enabled, and it is for CC control. Once this mode is selected for CC control, we can ignore the PC configuration and the note configuration. So we can focus on the CC configuration. The CC number, we need to change it from the previous 68 to 70. And also from the menu, we can see here, still we need the toggling function. So the value we can give the initial value of 127. And here, this key is not for send control, so it's 0. And also this key is not for tap control, so just put the 0 here. And here is the secret, how we make the LED of the button to be in a tap speed display. So if you enable it here, and this key will be flashing according to the speed. We just check the CC toggle is still 1, so that's what we need. Actually, the only thing we need to change is the CC number from 68 to 70. After this, we can just save the file and close it. Now let's move back to the device, and we can just power off the device and power on again. So firstly, we can see the button 4 is already become yellow. Yeah, here we can see the button's function already changed to analog bypass. Alright, it's all about using MIDI Captain to control the HX Stomp. It is similar for other devices as well. We will create dedicated videos to introduce the control for different devices. See how many devices we had gathered and planned for a video. There must be ones you will be interested. Please subscribe my channel right now. Also, for more information about PaintAudio products, just check our website www.paintaudio.com. See you next time.